Erik du Plessis, The Branded Mind, What Neuroscience Really Tells Us About the Puzzle of the Brain and the Brand. Dive into the fascinating world of neuromarketing with Erik du Plessis' book, The Branded Mind, which delves into the science behind the brain's response to branding and advertising. By incorporating neuroscience, the book explores the vital connection between emotions, thinking, and decision-making. As you read through the summary, you'll learn about the changing understanding of the brain's function, the role emotions play in our thought processes, and how essential memories are in shaping our interactions with brands. With valuable insights into how marketers can use these findings to create strong emotional associations with their products, The Branded Mind introduces you to the potential future of advertising and brand promotion.
Neuromarketing and the brain. Neuromarketing is a term that has gained popularity in recent times, and it is based on the evolving understanding that scientists have concerning the brain. This marketing approach focuses on using insights into people's mental and emotional states to build long-lasting relationships between customers and brands. Neuromarketing is still a relatively new field, and marketers often make grand claims based on inconclusive experiments. To comprehend the real potential of neuromarketing, it is essential to understand the brain's functioning, thinking, and decision-making processes. Traditional theories viewed emotions as distinct from rational thought, with rationality as the superior function. However, neurologist Antonio Damasio's book, Descartes' Error, challenged these theories by arguing that emotions and rationality are interconnected. He posits that physical sensations known as somatic markers play a critical role in effective decision-making. Understanding how the brain works can help marketers make informed decisions about how to connect with customers and build lasting relationships through neuromarketing strategies. Understanding the power of neuromarketing. Our brain is a survival machine with 10 billion specialized cells called neurons. These neurons carry electrical impulses that help us recognize images in a 1,000th of a second. Each neuron works like a binary circuit, and the recruitment of neurons fit together in a vast network called gestalt. Our brain continually reshapes these gestalts to interpret our environment based on countless memories recorded since birth, each charged with emotions that affect how we interact with the world. Marketing with neuromarketing taps into these emotions by giving consumers reasons to pay attention, commit it to memory, and potentially change their behavior. The power of repetition in marketing. Marketers rely on repetition to trigger memories and emotions in consumers. This tactic demands that consumers pay attention to the recurring message during repeated exposures. Interestingly, fast-forwarding through commercials causes viewers to subconsciously heed the ads again. Advertisers run their ads first on programs that people are unlikely fast-forward, such as live sports broadcasts or the news. As viewers now recognize the ads, marketers then shift them to cheaper channels based on the trust that reminder glimpses will work. Brain science has revolutionized marketing. Marketers must get consumers to focus on their product both for its intrinsic value and to differentiate it from competitor products. People buy things to control their state of arousal, and marketers exploit this by linking them with a desirable state of mind. When consumers buy Mercedes-Benz, they feel a mood of calm superiority. The power of emotions. Our emotions are not just fleeting feelings, they are the driving force behind our decisions. Experts have developed a schema to distinguish between different types of emotions based on their nature and origin. From brief autonomic biological changes to enduring habitual emotions that shape our personality and culture. The limbic system in our brain processes emotions and prompts attention either positively or negatively depending on the internal or external stimuli. Evolution has given us a memory to interpret what is happening inside and outside our bodies. As consumers, emotions and evaluations respond to environmental triggers or individual sparks. Marketers must understand the body's desire for balance to guide consumers to a specific purchase. Understanding the power of emotions is the first step towards harnessing their potential for personal and commercial success. Dopamine's effect on decision-making. The brain rewards you with dopamine even before you make decisions. Anticipating a pleasurable outcome floods your system with the feel-good neurotransmitter. This is why seeing something you like while window shopping is satisfying. Marketers use this knowledge to link brands to pleasant memories or moments of enjoyment. This insight provides an understanding of the power of advertising messages, and why brand loyalty can develop so naturally. The power of personality and culture in marketing. Marketers strategically position brands based on an individual's personality, linking a product with emotional inducements to appeal to their feelings. Empathy is the bridge between individual personality and society. Culture plays a significant role in marketing as it impacts people's perceptions of a product. Cultures have 5 dimensions, including power distance, individualism or collectivism, ambiguity, short-term or long-term focus, and gender roles. However, cultures are diverse, and marketers must consider various demographic factors like age, gender, and personality types when targeting different population groups. Misdirected empathy, along with cultural ignorance, arrogance, or lack of research, can lead to marketing programs that do not connect with or even alienate other cultural groups. Marketers must strive to understand the diverse cultures of their target markets to avoid misunderstandings and to ensure a successful marketing campaign. The Science of Advertising. The book, The Hidden Persuader, by Vance Packard was influential in the advertising industry. It highlighted subliminal advertising techniques, which led to them being banned in many countries. However, it was based on misleading information and demonstrated how people often misapply science. Despite what popular articles may suggest, neuromarketing still doesn't have all the answers to why people make certain decisions. Modern science shows that perception enters the brain from the outside, generating thoughts that are then shunted to the limbic system. This system provides a fast emotional evaluation by matching the idea with existing memories. Taste and choice, once thought to be innate, are subject to interpretation. Effective marketing combines rational and emotional appeals that must spark positive feelings in viewers. Emotions generated from repeatedly buying a particular brand create a heuristic, or decision-making shortcut. Marketers should aim to bond customers to their product, so they buy it automatically. The future of neuromarketing. Neuromarketing is a growing field that offers exciting possibilities for advertising. However, many claims made by its proponents are exaggerated or erroneous. Despite this, ongoing research and advancing technology will likely lead to a more profound understanding of how people make decisions, personality differences, and the role of culture. Practitioners will develop more detailed neuromarketing databases, and advanced measuring procedures like transcranial magnetic stimulation can identify the brain sections that carry out specific functions. The future of neuromarketing will bring methodical applications and training methods that are more advanced than today.
As you close this enlightening journey through The Branded Mind, take a moment to reflect on the main points presented in the summary. Discover the significance of emotions and somatic markers in shaping our thoughts and decision-making, and how brands can tap into this neural connection to create memorable advertisements. Keep in mind the role of empathy, culture, and personality in marketing strategies, and appreciate neuroscience's current stage in the field of neuromarketing. As the field evolves, expect more sophisticated methodologies and applications, ultimately leading to an enhanced understanding of consumer decision-making processes. Having absorbed this knowledge, you now have an invigorating insight not just into the world of neuromarketing, but also into the marvels of the human mind.